What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to go over step by step how to make $50,000 a year on eBay. So I'm going to go over today the exact steps that you need to take in order to build out your outline and the schedule. So please smash the like button, consider subscribing. We'll see you guys in the show. Step number one is you want to determine how much money you want to make reselling. For this example, we're going to use $50,000 a year. That's $1,000 per week and 2 weeks for vacation. Personally, I want to do $500,000 profit this year. So I need to do $10,000 a week with 2 weeks for vacation. Let's go to step number two. Step number 2 and 3 are combined. You need to figure out how much money you make per item, and that will tell you how many items you need to list for the year. So let's use the example of $10 profit per item, which is the example I use in all my videos. To make $50,000 a year, you need to list 5,000 items over the course of the entire year. With my goal of $500,000, I need to list 50,000 items per year. So that goal will give you an idea of how to build your day-to-day schedule, which we'll go over in the next step. Okay, step number 3 is you need to design a schedule that you can actually follow. So this example is 100 items per week, which means 20 listings Monday through Friday. Now, I always recommend you account for time where you can't work or something comes up. So I recommend doing 21 listings per day, Monday through Friday, and that'll give you a 5 listing cushion, which builds up over the course of the entire year and equals 10 days. So if you have 10 days of something going wrong, you still meet your goal. So for me personally, we list 210 items per day, Monday through Friday. We take the weekends off here. So it's important to understand you have to plan ahead for days that you don't know what's going to happen. So there's always unforeseen events that happen that throw you off your game. I plan ahead. Usually there's not more than 10 days a year where something goes wrong. So I recommend 21 listings per day, Monday through Friday. And whatever your schedule is, make sure that it's easy and consistent. Otherwise, it's difficult to follow. Okay, step 4 is just commit to doing it. You either do it or you don't do it. If you need a little more accountability, you can join our Patreon group at patreon.com/the resource podcast. In that group, you can post something in the Facebook group that you're working on. If you're having any issues, there's over 2,000 people that can help you reach your goals. So just make sure you stay accountable. If you can't reach your goal, that's completely fine. Just go over what you did so that others can help you. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next show.